What is reliability-centered maintenance? Reliability-centered maintenance is a corporate-level maintenance strategy that is implemented to optimize the maintenance program of a company or facility. The final result of an RCM program is the implementation of a specific maintenance strategy on each of the facility's assets. The maintenance strategies are optimized so that the productivity of the plant is maintained using cost-effective maintenance techniques. Teams implementing RCM use maintenance planning, asset condition monitoring, predictive maintenance, and preventive maintenance to avoid costly equipment failure.